Hello guys, welcome back to the another new lecture. So in this lecture I'll discuss about this styled CSS, and in the previous lecture I was just develop this section like this part. This is our product page. So in this lecture you will learn how to design this part. Okay, so firstly you will just edit this styled CSS. Like in the previous lecture it was 69, like this part, maybe into this part. So after that you will just edit this. So after that you will edit this part shop content, then raw, then you will give this margin padding. After that you will just give this form post type archive product and the content area. After that Woocommerce breadcrumb, and this is the breadcrumb area listed and product listed. So everything will just give this. So guys, this is our some of styled CSS code, and you will find it easily in my GitHub link, so don't worry about this. Okay, so guys, just you come back in the browser and refresh this, then you will show that this here is the nothing change. Okay, so our design is very smooth. So now we are just build up this our single product page like that. We just click this product page, then you will show that our product page automatically in the here, and you will show that this is our review section. So everything is okay. So guys, in this lecture I will just upload this without editing. So do you have any problem, then tell me, and I'll just reading this in the next lecture. But I don't have need to do anything this part, because I think it is really easy for you, and without editing, just I'll record this class and upload this YouTube channel, and you will learn to something from this channel. Okay, so now I'll just working this our function dot Woocommerce, then archive product. Then after that I'll just come back in the Woocommerce modification. So in the here I'll just do something in like, firstly I have to created this function in the inside of this here. So now I'm going to creating this function in the here like that function, then fancy lab. I think that is the really actually best plan. Do you have any error, you'll just show that, then you can identify where is your wrong and where you will correct. So that's why you will just that's why I'll just upload this video without editing. Lab, then Woocommerce, then here modify. Okay guys, so I have a problem in the my tone, so don't mind in this here. Okay, just I'll just cut it and paste it here. Okay, and paste it inside of this function, then added this another hooks. Action hook like add, then action. Okay, then we'll just change this. Wordpress, then using this. Okay, Wordpress. After that here you will just using this fancy lab. fancy lab, that after that WordPress modify, okay, Woocommerce modify, that's it. And we are just creating this another function inside of this here, like add function. After that creating this remove function, get slider, Woocommerce get slider. After that okay guys, so in the here I'm going to creating this another condition like if, and check this, is it valid, like is shop, okay. Then I'm going to creating this add function Woocommerce v4, it will be v4 main content, okay. Just I'll go to is if, then condition check, okay, add action Woocommerce before main content, and I'll just copy this, okay, or I'll just cut it in main fancy lab. I'll just copy this and paste it here. And be careful in the here, you will just when you will type here anything, you will just notify this, notice this, is it right or wrong, anything. Then add action Woocommerce before main content, then fancy lab slider, and here is the our property 6, okay. Then inside of this here I'm going to creating this function fancy lab add sidebar text, fancy lab add sidebar text, okay. Then equal div class sidebar shop column 3 and column 4, column 2, and column order to empty 1, okay. That's it. So I'll come back in my, so guys don't mind in this pass this recording, because I'll just copy this here, this code, okay, and paste it here, because I don't waste my time just typing for coding, okay, and paste it here, okay. That's it. And you will show that everything is similar in the previous few minutes ago, like as it, oh, this is the similar to the in the previous few minutes ago. So this is our function, and you'll just check this for this main function sidebar break and action hook after the different position, then you can just editing this system, okay. And come back browser and refresh it, okay. Then you'll show that here is something changed, like that sidebar has gone, remove vanish from this here, and after that and everything is okay, and we are successfully done our sidebar and our design like shop page. So guys, I hope you will better understand in this lecture, and obviously you will just follow my code and my video tutorial. And obviously I already uploaded this git repository, and I am just controlling this section like name changes, then it will be automatic updated in my github repository, okay. So guys, you will just practice this from my github, okay. Then push this, so guys, and I'll come back in my github and refresh it, then you'll show that repository 32. And obviously if you like my video, then obviously give this star give this star from here, okay guys. And you'll show that this is the pencil public folder, and you'll show that automatically uploaded in the here. Okay, I'll come back and go to the include file and wc Woocommerce modification, then it will show that everything is here. Okay, so guys, you will just practice this from here and using this code, and obviously you will just do this code, and when you will anything problem, you will face to anything problem, then you will just show my this in my github, and in my github repository code. So okay guys, I believe that you will learn something from this here. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next lecture.